Instagram's Add Yours sticker is trending again, and this time it's all about gratitude as we step into 2024. The 2024 thank you trend is a heartwarming way to reflect, share and connect with your followers. Want to join in? Here's how. Start by opening Instagram and tapping on the search icon. In the search bar, type Add Yours Extra and open the profile with this username. In the Highlights section, look for the highlight labeled AY52 and find the story featuring 2024 thank you. Tap on Add Yours to start creating your unique story. Next, tap on the layout icon on the left side and select your preferred template. I'll choose the one with 4 fields. After that, upload photos that represent your most memorable moments of 2024, those you're especially thankful for. Once you've added the photos, tap the checkmark button to proceed. You can reposition this window as desired. Finally, share your story with your followers. And here's how my Thank You 2024 story looks. Thank you for watching. For more tips and ideas, stay tuned and subscribe to our channel.